Introducing our TricLED 4x6-inch LED American flag kit for the 2010 to 2019 Can-Am Spyder RT. This LED American flag kit shines bright with a brilliant display of red, white, and blue, and features 50 stars and 13 stripes so that you can proudly express your patriotism, while at the same time adding a safety element that allows vehicles following behind you to see you more clearly. And as you can see, the LED flag is coated with a UV-resistant epoxy coating, giving it a nice smooth finish that makes it both easy to clean, as well as protects the LEDs from Mother Nature. This kit includes a black powder-coated mounting bracket, as well as all necessary wiring and hardware for straightforward installation. So now let's get started with the install. Start by removing your key from the ignition. Then, pop open your rear trunk lid and remove these 4 T30 Torx screws. Next, pop open your saddlebag doors and remove these 2 T30 Torx screws on each side. So that you can carefully lift this rear panel up and off. Now you can unscrew these last T30 Torx screws. So that this panel can drop down just enough so that you can access and unplug this license plate harness. Next, you can remove your license plate. Slide the wire from the LED flag in through the hole on the bottom left of the new flag bracket, and then up to the top left license plate hole. Make sure the wiring harness is all the way to the right side of the left slot here, before remounting your license plate reusing the stock hardware. As you tighten down the license plate, make sure that you do not pinch or puncture the wire we ran through the upper left license plate slot. Now take the flag bracket and mount it up to the bottom 2 holes of your license plate using the 2 new 4mm Allen screws with washers from the kit. Next, reach through to the back of your fender and carefully pull out the slack from your LED flag so that you can test fit the flag up flat against the bracket. Now you can take an alcohol prep pad and thoroughly clean the surface area of the flag bracket and let that sit for a minute to dry before going over the same surface area with the included primer wipe. Once that's dry, peel off a small section of protective backing tape from the LED flag, line it up where you want it, and then press down firmly to adhere into place, peeling off the backing tape as you go. Then reach down from the top opening of that panel and pull out the rest of the slack. Then crimp the bullet connectors onto the ends of the LED flag wire. Now take the new harness from the kit and plug it into the license plate harness we unplugged earlier. Then add a little dab of dielectric grease to both bullet connectors. Plug the black bullet connector from the LED flag into the black wire on the harness, then the red wire from the flag to the orange wire on the harness. Now turn on the ignition to test your new LED flag, and if everything looks good, you can wrap everything up with electrical tape and zip tie the excess wire from your LED flag up and out of the way of any and all moving parts. And then finally, you can reinstall your panels in the reverse order you removed them. And as an added security bonus, the manufacturers included this adhesive square tile and zip tie so you can secure the wire inside the fender up and out of the way of the tire. So start by wiping away any excess dirt and debris with a towel. Test fit the tile so you know where it will go. Then clean the surface area with an alcohol wipe and let that sit for a minute to dry. Before peeling off the protective backing tape, lining it up where you want it, and then pressing down firmly to adhere into place. Before sliding your zip tie through and around the flag wire, pulling it tight to secure it in place. And there you have it, folks. You've now successfully installed your LED American flag kit on your Can-Am Spyder RT. Now, as you can see, once installed, it demands attention and adds a really cool look to the bike. Now, if an LED American flag kit's on your mod list, be sure to head on over to slingmods.com today or click the link in the description below to grab an LED flag kit for yourself. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so I can keep you up to date on everything Spyder. I'm Brandon, signing out. Till next time.